Today we are going to start with next topic, that is the solar system. As you know, there are 8 planets in the solar system. So the sun, 8 planets, their moons and other heavenly objects. All these form the solar system. The sun is the center of our solar system and each planet revolve around the sun. These revolve around the sun in its own orbit. So planets are the objects, the heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They do not have any light of their own. What they do is they reflect the light of the sun. So the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto was considered as the ninth planet, but on August 24, 2006, International Astronomical Union redefined planet, and Pluto did not fit into this definition. So now Pluto is considered as dwarf planet. We have other dwarf planets also like Ceres, Eris. Dwarf planets also revolve around the sun in their fixed orbit. So now let us read about sun and the planets. The sun is a hot ball of glowing gases. It gives us heat and light. As you know, it is center of our solar system and sun is the star nearest to the earth. Let's continue with planets. In order of increasing distance from the sun, the first planet is Mercury. It is a planet that is closest to the sun and is the smallest planet in the solar system. You can see Mercury is the smallest planet and it is closest to the sun. After Mercury we have Venus. Venus is hottest planet. It's too hot. The hottest planet is Venus. We can see it in the night sky and it looks like a bright star in the early morning and evening. So because of this we call it morning star or evening star. Then the third planet is our Earth. It is the only planet where life exists and we call it blue planet because 70% of its surface is covered with water and due to this it appears blue in color. Same way, Mars is known as dead planet because it have reddish brown appearance. This reddish brown appearance is due to red rusty dust on it. So Earth is known as blue planet and Mars is known as red planet. Let's move on to next, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest and fastest spinning planet. It spins very fast. 3 thin rings are there. These thin rings of dust encircles the Jupiter. And you know, Jupiter is 11 times as wide as the Earth. All the planets of the solar system would fit inside the Jupiter. So you can see how large it is, how big it is. Next is Saturn. It is surrounded by several shining rings. It looked too beautiful. Its rings are made up of ice, rocks, and dust. After Saturn, we have Uranus. It is the first planet discovered by using a telescope. Telescope is an instrument that is used to see far off objects. So, Uranus is the first planet that is discovered by using a telescope, and it is the only planet that spins on its side. It spins on its side only. The eighth one, the farthest planet from the sun, is Neptune. It looks blue in color. It is too far from the sun, so cold winds blow very fast on Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These four planets are inner planets. These are made up of rocks. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are outer planets and these are made of gases. So all the outer planets have rings on it. This much for today. Thank you.